Welcome back. Welcome to school. You have to take your hat off, sir.
Oh my God, man. School just started, man. It was the first day.
You have to remove your hat.
Oh, dang, man.
Yes, you're gonna do work, sir.
Oh my God, man. Where do you have enough days during the summertime, man? School sucks.
Okay, you know you can't have the book bag. Where's your locker? Why didn't you put it in your
You
locker?
know how to put in the combination, man. That's too much twisting for my fingers, man. My
Wait.
fingers be getting tired.
I'm gonna have to go through your bag. Take it out.
God, hey, man, that's on life school, man. I'm just talk about that's the reason I don't want to get my ass on vacation. I don't even want to get my ass on vacation no more. I don't even want to learn no more, man. Y'all be going